Knitting in a round using the magic loop method. Take a long circular needle. Place half of the stitches on the back needle and half of the stitches on the front needle. Round 1. Pull the back needle out and slide the stitches onto the cable. Pull just enough to turn the needle. Keep the cable looped at the other side. Knit across the front needle. Now the cable makes a loop on both sides of the work. At the end of the needle, the first cable loop opens. Turn. Push the needle back in. Pull the back needle out and knit across the front needle. You have now worked one round. Repeat.